Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe, and click that bell button, so you can get notification when my new, easy way tutorial is out. Hi, in today's video I will show you how to change any folder icon in Windows 10. So for an example, I will create new folder here on my desktop, by right-clicking my mouse button, and I will select New Folder. Now, you need to right-click with your mouse on that folder, and select Properties from pop-up menu. Now, click on Customize tab here, and under Folder icon click Change Icon. New window will open, where you can select which icon you want to apply, or you can select Browse and select your own custom icon. When you select desired icon, click on it and select OK. Now press Apply, and click OK to close this menu. And as you can see, our folder icon have changed. Thank you all for watching, and if this video helped you, please like it and subscribe with bell on, so you don't miss my next video. Bye.